Good morning. I am Dr. D. Lavanya, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Standard Fireworks, Rajaratnam College, Foreman, Sivhasi. Here I am going to discuss about important definitions in Taxation 1. Here the learning objectives will be to know what is person, assessee, deemed assessee, assessee in default, and also we are going to learn here about the definitions for all these terms. Okay, now let us move on to our topic. The first definition is person. Person, it is given under the section 2, subsection 31. The term person includes an individual. An individual means here they are mentioning as a natural person or a human being who may be male, female, minor child or a lunatic. The second point here they are mentioning for the person is a Hindu undivided family. A Hindu undivided family means a Hindu family which consists of all persons lineally descended from a common ancestor, including their wives, and also the unmarried daughters will be included in the Hindu undivided family. The third one here they are mentioning as a company. A company may be defined as, we already know, the company is an artificial person. It is created by law with perpetual succession, a common seal and shares carrying limited liability. Fourth one they have said as a firm. A firm means here the partnership firm. It is defined under the Partnership Act. Under Partnership Act there are two conditions for partnership firm. There must be a registered partnership deed. Profit sharing ratio must be included in deed. The continuation of person, the fifth one they are mentioning here, an association of persons. An association of person includes body of individuals, whether they are incorporated or not. An association of person means two or more persons joining for a common purpose for the purpose of earning income. Two or more persons they will be joining here. Their main purpose is to earn the income. It may consist two or more individuals or any other person. That is an individual and a company or two or more companies. The next one they have given in the person is a local authority. Local authority includes here is municipality, municipal corporation, district board, etc. The next one is every artificial judicial person not falling within any of the preceding categories. The meaning for this is an idle or dirty is an accessible as an artificial judicial person but through persons managing them. Similarly, all other artificial persons with a juristic personality or artificial persons like universities. Next definition we are moving on to an assessee. This is most important term in our taxation. This is given under the section 2 subsection 7. Here they are saying an assessee means a person who is liable to pay any tax. So, the person who are going to pay tax here they are mentioning as an assessee, or otherwise we can also say who is liable to pay any other sum of money under this act. For example, we can say interest, penalty, etc. here. The another point is in respect of whom any proceeding under this act has been taken for the assessment of his income, or in respect of whom any proceeding under this act has been taken for the assessment of the income of any other person in respect of which he is assessable or. Again the assessee definition continues here. In respect of whom any proceeding under this act has been taken for the assessment of the loss sustained by him, or in respect of whom any proceeding under this act has been taken for the amount of refund due to him. Or we can also say as an assessee is who is deemed to be an assessee under any provision of this act, or who is deemed to be an assessee in default under any provision of this act. Next we are moving to definition, deemed assessee. Who is deemed assessee? A person who is deemed to be an assessee for some other person is called deemed assessee. Here we can give an example like this. After death of a person, his legal representative will be treated as an assessee for that income of the deceased on which tax has not been paid by the deceased before his death. A person representing a foreigner or a minor or a lunatic is treated as an assessee for the income of such foreigner or minor or lunatic. The next definition we are going on to, assessee in default. Who is here mentioned as an assessee in default means when a person is responsible for doing any work under the act and he fails to do it, he is called as an assessee in default. Here they have given an example. If a person while making any payment to another person is liable to deduct income tax thereon at source, does not deduct income tax therefrom or having deducted it, does not deposit in the government treasury, he will be treated as an assessee in default for that income tax. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was very useful to you all. We will be meeting in the next video with some important concepts. Thank you.